feels like home, and I feel like I'm having an annual reunion with my sisters.
I'm honestly very pleasantly amazed at the richness of the scientific content.
You know, one of the things that drew me to AWIR, of course, is Dr. Wright. And you look at what she's done. She's thrown out these large arms, not only around the U.S., but around the whole world.
The content is fantastic, but the networking and the people are the very best. You'll never come to a conference that's more fun than this one.
Anyone I speak to here, I just feel even more empowered. It's like a refresher for the rest of the year.
We want everyone to have the AWIR experience.
When you walk into this meeting, it's going to feel like someone just gave you a really good hug.
The variety of things available during the conference is very unique.
Make this a family holiday of learning rheumatology.
This is the place. This is where you're going to get the tools and, most importantly, the support and nurturing that someone needs to accomplish their goals.
And you will also look very good in purple.